Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 1.4 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question deals with some financial maths, which will require us to work out some income tax and special tax rates for individuals, as well as the percentage of a lump sum from an annuity fund. Yes, as I said, Miss Hedges' 64-year-old father is retiring this year. He has an annuity of 2.25 million rand, which has matured. So as per the law, he's only allowed to take out 1/3 of his annuity as a lump sum and must reinvest the rest. So for 1.4.1, calculate the amount that Ms. Hedges' father is able to withdraw from the annuity as a lump sum. So if we go to the answer sheet, so it's 1.4.1, so it's 1/3, so we know that he's allowed to he's matured over the years a sum of 2.25 million. So a third we have to divide by 3, and in your calculator we get that this comes to 0.75 million. So you put 2.25 divided by 3, which comes to 0.75, and your unit is rands and times by million, because it's in millions of rands. Okay, then on to the next one, which is 1.4.2. Unfortunately, Ms. Hedges' father must pay tax on 1/3 that he takes home as a lump sum. The lump sum portion of his retirement is taxed using the special tax rates as indicated below. So you can see this table. So it's saying that if the amount is between 0 and 500,000 rand, you don't get taxed anything. But then between 500,000 and 700,000, it's 18%, which is taxed. But then between 700,000 and 1,050,000 rand, you get taxed a standard 36,000 plus 27% of the taxable amount over 700,000. So from our previous question, we know, so this is 1.4.2. From our previous question, we've just calculated that the lump sum, well, the sum that he gets to take out, so the sum taxable is this 0.75 million rand, but just to make things a bit easier, I'm going to, you know that 0.75 million is actually 750,000 rand. So you can work that out by timesing the 0.75 by 1 million. So this is the amount that will be taxed. So if we go look at this table, this falls in this third category, which is 36,000 rand plus 27% above the 700,000. So what we have to do is we can write this down. So your tax will equal that 36,000 rand as per the table plus 27% of the amount above 700. So it'll be 27% times your total, which was 750,000 minus 700,000, because this will give us the amount above 700,000 rand. So it's going to be 50,000 Rand, but where I got this is the taxable income above 700,000. So we know that the total is 750,000. So above, to get what is above 700,000, we minus 700,000 from that amount. So putting this into your calculator, we'll do it step by step. So we know that it should be 36,000 plus 27 over 100, because that's another way of writing percentage, times, we know that this is 50,000, that was in brackets, but you can do that in your calculator. So this is going to equal 36,000 plus 27% of 50,000 is 13,500, and then in your calculator it comes to that your taxi is going to have to pay is 49,500. So now we need to find out what percentage this is of his total. So we say therefore the percentage we can calculate is that we need to find out how much he gets, which is left over. So we know he started out with 750,000. He needs to pay 49,500 as tax. So we minus that 49,500 that's due in tax. So this is going to equal, in your calculators, 700,500 Rand. So we need to then, what is the percentage of this? So percentage of the total we know will be 700,500 divided by the total that we had, which would be 750,000, times by 100 to get it as a percentage. We put this as in your calculator, and you get that this equals 93.4%, which is approximately, if we round down, 93%. And the question is to show that it is approximately 93%, and that's what we have done over here. So that's the final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.